All right, here we come to the elevators at the Rise at Northgate in College Station, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp, and I'm gonna try to get inside the elevator quick, but huge thanks goes out to the amazing staff for letting me ride. Please note, this is a residential building, so do not trespass unless you have permission. Well, these are the tallest elevators in College Station. There's music playing out, so that's why I had to get in the elevator quick. Is there a view up here that I can get?
Not from the hallways.
Okay. All right, let's go on to 1. These appear to be Synergy because I can hear the brakes. And they travel like around 500 feet a minute. Either Synergy or Evolution 200. I'm not sure though. That light bulb is burned out. Would it be okay if I take for one more ride and I'll end the video down here?
Sure.
Thank you so much for bringing me on here.
I'm glad I have mine to help.
This is by far one of the tallest elevators in College Station. Even though this is not the actual, not the actual tallest building, but this is definitely the tallest elevator. This is definitely the tallest building I visited for the very ever first time.
Nice. I didn't know we had the tallest elevators.
Yeah, you told me of another building that is 19 stories high.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I'm able to get in there because that's an apartment complex, so I hardly doubt so.
Well, this is an apartment complex too.
Yeah, it is, but...
So, and the Rev also does tours like they do here, so they should be able
Oh,
to take
cool.
them up.
Oh, okay, cool. Back down to 1 to end there. I don't know if these are Synergy or Evolution 200 MRL. But these seem to travel like 500 feet a minute.
Really?
I have to look, but I assume these travel 500 feet.
I mean, that sounds about right.
Thank you so much. Now, after I stop the video, I would like to get a couple pictures, but we're not going back up again. All right, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the tallest elevator in College Station. So with that being said, I'm gonna watch the door close, talk over the music, there it goes, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and gay gum.